we talked about MAC addresses, which so far we've mostly been talking about IP addresses with these troubleshooting utilities and TCP/IP utilities, but you can do some stuff with MAC addresses. Use the ARP command to view a table. You have to actually in Windows do ARP-A, and it will show you the internet address, so the IP address, and it will show you what physical address it's that it's cached for that IP address. So in this case, my default gateway 1.1 is physical address 0026B8. And if you looked up 0026B8, it's probably Action Tech, which is my router, and then it's 98E043. I have a pretty lonely network. I've only got that one default gateway on my network, but if you had 4 or 5 computers, you would probably see them all cached here. In fact, in my network, I could probably ping some other addresses and get some other, some additional MAC addresses cached in my ARP table. So I'll try that. I'll ping one of the other hosts on my network. So I'll ping Dagny Taggart, and you can see it's pinging. It's resolving an IP address. So now when I do ARP-A, it should have cached that. So there it is. It cached 1.6. So there's the physical address or the MAC address. In Linux, you could do the same thing. So you could do ARP-A, same option. On this Linux server, it's only connected to a router, so it's only got one MAC address cached, as you can see. The other thing you can do with ARP, and I'll run just the ARP so you can see the options, but you can run the -D command, which will delete the cache. If you do ARP -D star or asterisk, it will delete everything. So you can start from scratch and have it start to recache the MAC addresses, which sometimes is useful if there's something cached incorrectly. A lot of times 2 switches have that happen, but usually with a switch, the easiest way to clear the ARP cache is just to restart the switch, unplug it and plug it back in.